Guys, I'm asking the builders if I can leave. They're telling me I can't. They're telling me I cannot leave. I don't know what I'm going to do. I don't know what I'm going to do. Let's see. Guys, look at our house. Look. Huh? Look at our room, guys. They're doing renovation out here. Look. And I'm leaving. I don't think I'll be able to clean this now. I have to leave because I'm late. I've been inside here because they've closed for me from outside. So I have to wait for them to finish. I'm already late and yet I'm leaving. I'm now leaving. I don't know if I'll walk, but let's see if I'll be able to walk. We are walking. Napa ni kwa nini? Oh. Form 4s are done with school. Haki uko si... Guys, there's still a long way to go. Where? Oh, hii ndio booster nilikuwa naambiwa. I've been walking, so I'm resting. Walking is a very big deal breaker for me because I get tired so quick. Guys, we are here at Fathela's place. So let me call Faima first. Hi guys, so I'm now at Fathela's site. Fathela's given permission to shoot and this place looks so nice. And there are so many YouTubers here, guys. I'm shy. So let's see what's going on here. So let me show you guys around. Let me give you guys a tour. That is the gate when you come in. This is Okwemba. Like Okwemba is here.
I'm fine.
How are you?
I can see you.
Yeah, I'm happy to be here, by the way. I'm happy to see you working.
I'm working. I'm really busy working. I'm here on Fathela's TV construction. This is day 4.
Day 4?
Day 4. Day 1 we did what we call foundation. This is foundation. Day 2 we filling stone. Day 3 it was backfilling. They had backfilling and what we call skidding. So now we are laying bricks or something like that.
These ones?
Yeah.
Yeah, these are the bricks, guys.
So we are really working. Okay, so welcome back to Feli. That name is very hard.
Just say Feli.
Feli.
Yeah, just say Feli.
Welcome back. So continue supporting, subscribing, commenting and liking.
Yeah.
Watch our video from the start up to the end.
Yeah.
And leave a sweet comment. I go by the name of Okwemba so people can watch me out. Okwemba. OKWEMBA. Come on and subscribe, comment, like and share and watch my video.
Yes. Yeah. Guys, go and check out Okwemba and subscribe to his channel and watch all videos. Yeah. So I'm also here. I also want to see around. I want to give them a little tour of this place. Yeah. I can see people working. Yeah. Okay, thank you.
Yes, what's up guys? Welcome back to Feli Omore YouTube channel. In case you are new here, my good name is John Vlogs_Kenya. That's my YouTube channel name. Check me out, subscribe, share, like and comment. Also, if I'm on my site, check out Feli Omore. Subscribers. Maybe today you can expect 20 from me, guys. Check me out.
Thank you.
is a visitor to us today.
Yeah.
It was the first time to enter to this compound. Yeah, the work is going on, as you can see. Maybe I can take a little bit of the tour.
Yeah, kindly, please.
For sure.
Yeah.
But I'm so a little bit of
Oh,
busy.
you're
But,
still busy, huh?
you can go.
Okay. So guys, John Vlogs is giving me a tour.
So we can start this one. Before I give you briefly tour to this house. This is a 3-bedroom house.
3. Oh, okay.
Big one. This is a dream house to Fathela TV. And the person who supervises the work here
Okay.
also to make sure that the things are going good. Also is a closest friend.
Oh,
And that is like my brother. Yeah, we've been started this structure, putting perimeter wall, I've been with him from Ghana. I don't know if you know Ghana.
yeah, I
Ghana
know.
side.
Yes, I know.
We've been Fathela. God opened the way for Fathela.
Yeah.
So this is the veranda.
Oh, this is the veranda. This one. Guys, this is the veranda.
So this is the sitting room. This is the sitting room. And the other side is a bedroom also.
Okay.
Master bedroom for Fathela to be.
Uh-huh.
This one is the windows should be here. This one is also like a balcony place where you can chill, but the window will be here. So the bed will also facing there.
Oh.
That's the toilet.
Uh-huh.
Can come closer.
I don't know if I can climb. Can I step here?
No problem. That one is okay.
Okay. Okay.
So that is it.
Oh, okay. This is the bedroom,
This is the bedroom. This is the washroom.
washroom. So, washroom of the master bedroom.
Yeah, for sure.
Okay.
And this is the operating like a corridor. This is the kitchen, open kitchen. And that one is the
This is the open kitchen.
and this is the dining.
Ah.
And the one that you see there is the big, not this one. That is a stove.
Okay.
Yeah.
So on this side there's one bedroom.
This is one bedroom.
On this side,
is one bedroom.
one bedroom.
Washrooms for serving both people and the visitors, and also the visitors for who will sleep on that. This is also a bedroom.
Okay.
So this is 3-bedroom house. The septic tank should be big up there.
Okay.
Yeah. And the washroom on the outside should be there also.
Oh.
Yeah. And the space that you see that you are operating with, we should the soil that we removed the soil was so mob
Okay.
in this place. So we're trying to reduce it so that you can use it for landscaping.
Okay. When you are done building.
And done building. This one is a modern chicken coop. But for
Okay.
now, we cannot bring the chicken because of this construction is going on.
Okay.
We're operating like a store. Maybe you can go there and show you.
Okay.
Kuna mtu amekanyaga hapa jamani hapa. Marau. So this one, for now, it's operating like a store.
Okay.
But when we should bring the chickens, this one it will be the store of the foods.
Food.
Like
Food for chicken. So which chicken are you guys planning to put here? Broilers. Oh.
I think we should mix the grade and this normal one.
Oh.
Yeah.
Wow.
So for now, this house is going to this place over here is like a store. Maybe for now you see it's really pushing us
Yeah, true.
for putting the cement and also the banana and this one. This one is going to operate the store. And here you can charge your phone.
Okay.
We close this door because when something that you lost here, never lost.
Yeah, I bet
I was expecting more visitors mostly coming.
the chicken house is so nice.
For sure, thank you so much.
Yeah. This is a Nation One.
Capacity of National One here. But we bring someone go finishing.
Oh, okay.
2 people building here. But from the foundation, it was National One. The settings, everything, measuring, National One. And this place that you see the partitions is about the someone else. Also a good king carpet. Yeah, maybe we can go inside, then I show you.
Okay.
So this other side, this now is a free space for the chickens. So
Okay.
we make here baccaras where they will lay eggs, where they will sleep. Going to make something like another post over here to put like a flat.
Okay.
That we can make for them baccaras. The dust
Yeah.
can collect from inside and give us easy work.
Okay.
So the small chickens, they can be here. That's why we put this right over here so that it can produce warm.
Okay. Wow.
This one is warm, so it's good.
Yeah.
Come close and see the heat. They're really preventing the
It's so hot.
small ones.
Yeah.
So yeah,
Wow.
put here sawdust. After finishing that, a building. So for now, it's operating like a stove.
Like a stove.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Wow.
Maybe you can buy metals, wall pass, more cement expecting should be here. Iron sheet should be here for now.
Okay.
But, yeah, that's why the reason why that we are not seeing the chickens here.
Okay.
So you feel more welcome.
Okay.
Feel free, just feel in.
So,
Pleasure.
okay. Is there someone living here, like protecting the site at night?
Yeah, we have someone we employ. Is one of our closest neighbor here.
Okay.
Just come at night when you are living at the site, especially 6. Be here, and we hand over the keys.
Okay.
Operating to this compound.
Nice.
Yeah.
Wow. Nice one. A nice project going on here.
Thank you so much. I wish you all the best.
Also-
On YouTube channel. How many
Thank
subscribers do you have?
Now I have 170.
170. Guys, push him. Maybe expecting 50 from me on my side.
Guys, you've heard him. Please, 50 from John Vlogs
_Kenya.
Kenya. Yeah.
Push him. He's also my sister. He's also our visitors. That's one way to promote one another.
Exactly.
And where you can support also by growing her channel faster. Anything else you can chip in, you just do it. So my good people, family.
Thank you. Thank you also for giving me a tour.
No problem. You're more welcome.
Thank you.
Feel free. Just relax. Yeah.
Okay.
For now, thank you. Let me go back. To
Okay.
thank you so much.
Thank you. So guys, food is going on here. People are cooking. It's lunchtime, Okwemba. Are you hungry?
It's lunchtime, exactly. So they are really preparing the food there.
Yeah. They're really cooking. And
Really cooking.
work going on at Fathela's TV site. Yeah. Brushy B is here. I've not seen him since dancing grandma. So Brushy B is here. Come and say hi.
Hello guys, Engineer Brush B.
Yeah, he's an
Not
engineer
only
today.
Brush B, engineer, and also a
And a
videographer,
videographer.
and also a chef, and also everything. So guys, this is Brush B. I know you've missed me, guys.
Yeah, we've missed you. We've
I'm
missed
here.
you.
You know,
Like
being-
when he comes, he passes at our gate. He doesn't enter.
You know, the time I'm passing is when I'm very tired. Maybe we were from work.
Okay.
Yeah, so maybe that time I'm very tired. Yeah, so that's it, guys. This is Brush B. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for your subscription. Thank you for your likes, your comments. Don't take it for granted,
You know,
guys.
today I checked. I'm at 170,
Oh wow,
and I came at 120 something. So I think I've gained like 50 something subscribers.
within 2-3 days. Around
It's now
some
1
few-
week.
Oh, 1
Today
week.
is 1 week.
Oh wow, but it's moving so fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank God now. I'm hoping to get to 1,000.
1,000. Yeah, the goal is to get to 1,000.
Yeah.
Then you monetize
Yes.
and also get something from YouTube. You know.
Exactly.
You know
So-
me, I've monetized, but I'm not withdrawn money.
But you are getting something.
Yeah.
Every video you're getting something.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just that so little, but at least it is moving.
It is moving,
Yeah,
but
yeah.
it will.
That is what
you'll
keeps
grow.
me moving. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
So I think if 1,000 people come from Brashibi to me, I'll
Yeah.
be at 1,000 and something.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah,
You'll
because
be at-
Brashibi has 10,000. So if only 1,000 of you could come and subscribe,
Yeah.
I'll be happy.
She'll be happy.
And even
Very,
him,
very.
he will be happy for me. He'll be
Yeah.
happy for me.
You told me someone came and told you I'm from Brashibi.
Yes,
I
yes,
was
yeah.
very, very happy.
Yeah.
Yani, I was saying, so I have supportive people like
Yeah,
that.
yes.
Yeah,
You
yeah.
have.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Thank you so much from Brashibi. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
I thank you so much. Going and saying I'm from Brashibi,
Yeah, it means a lot. By
it
the
means
way.
a lot.
It
Yeah,
means
yeah.
a lot because
A lot.
for someone to come from somewhere and come to another channel,
Yeah, yeah.
it means a lot.
A lot. Yeah, and also watch the videos, guys, from the start to the
To
end.
the end. Mhm.
That helps us in hours.
Yeah,
Watch
yes,
hours.
watch hours.
Yeah. For you to be monetized, you must have 4,000 watch hours.
Yeah.
So meaning you have to watch the video from the start to the end, so that the hours can grow.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. Philly Omore. And
yes.
also, if you are watching me for the first time, go and check out at Brashibi.
Yes, go and check out
Brashibi.
Brashibi,
Yeah, kindly check out at Brashibi, like my videos, and also comment you are from Philly Omore. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Hey guys, Fema has helped me with this one for a few minutes because it's getting tired to perform. It's tiring. So yeah, at least. Okay, let me see. Nice one. I need to get. I had something like this, but it got broken. So yeah, I'm sweating, guys. These shades is helping me with my eyes because I have eye problem, and so don't mind that I'm wearing shades. I have eye problem, so I'm protecting my eyes from the sun because my eyes, if I subject it to too much sun and dust, it will be another story that I want. I like yeah, so I'm doing that to avoid stories that touch. Yeah, we have to avoid stories that touch. I don't know. Okay. Let me put this thing in.
Waliweka maji wakamwaga.
Utanikumbusha nichukue thumbnail. I always forget to take a thumbnail. Remind me.
sister there. Nyam nyam. Chef there. Our chef, you can say something. Don't be shy of camera. Eh? My name is Fathela. Yeah.
Enda ukaa.
And you remember, guys, today is the new week, so it's the sister. Yeah. So we.
Inakaa ngumu. Kama hivyo ndio.
Unataka nini? Mafuta.
Na vile sasa hakuna mafuta.
Imeisha?
Wasilaumu mpishi sasa.
You can say it.
Kama ni mingi ona. Mafuta
You can tell it. After this, I thanks to your channel. I'm sure if I even support each other. My brother there. My brother is just fine. Guys, keep watching. Hello guys, good morning or good afternoon, good evening. Here in Kenya it's afternoon.
It's afternoon, yeah.
Yeah, it's around 1. Let me confirm the time. It's 1:47. You can see there. East African tide. That is, we talk of Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania. So right now, as that time, we always take lunch in a way, in our own way, in African way, in Kenyan way. You know, I hear some people take it at noon time. That's 12. But us as Kenyans, we always know 1 p.m. That's one way we take lunch. And as you can see here, people are taking some meals. Yeah. So
the people are being served there.
yeah, being served. So welcome to Fathela Omore YouTube channel, guys. In this amazing video, guys, you're gonna be inspired a lot. And first of all, guys, if you're watching me for the very first time, my name is Gold San Sam, and I'm a YouTuber here in Jamohanse, just one of the YouTubers, young YouTubers who are trying to grow. You know? And together here with Fathela Omore, she's also a YouTuber who has traveled from far to be here, guys.
Exactly.
Yeah, guys, I really request, if you come from Gold San, Team Gold San Sam, kindly show love by subscribing to her channel here. And you know, we just want to grow, we just want to be someone, you know, in this life. So kindly, guys, do show us some love by supporting us, subscribe, leave a sweet comment. Encourage her, guys, because you know, when you are starting something, it's not easy. It's never easy. Even building a foundation like this one, Fathela, is very hard. But when you start now growing, it's become a little bit now adjustable and easy. So kindly, guys, subscribe to her channel. Take her to, I don't limit. I always say road to success, because when I say 1,000, next time I'll say 2,000. No way, just let's go. Let's grow with subscribe, guys. But right now, I know you are going to 1,000. Kindly, guys, let us subscribe, guys, kindly, because it's so free. And you're gonna enjoy these videos. You're gonna love it for sure. So we are just here at Fathela TV construction site, and I'm just impressed to see the progress. As you can see, the perimeter wall well done, and now we are doing the house, which the house has started to come up. Yesterday we did the foundation, and I'm so happy.
that we are building Africa. So guys, stay tuned. Watch this video from the beginning to the very end to just enjoy this amazing transformation of Africa, guys.
And comment down below if you're from Godson.
Yeah, and leave us with a comment. Tell us you're from Godson and you have subscribed, guys. We'll be so happy, and we really do appreciate it. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go and eat lunch.
Yeah. Time for lunch, guys. Time for lunch. Brashibi, I'm here.
We are taking lunch.
Yeah, time for lunch. Now we are having water after eating. Asante kwa chakula. Chakula ni tamu.
Mimi ndo nimwambie hivyo juu.
Chakula imekuwa tamu.
Tunanunua mabati ya kupiga mbao. Yaani misumari.
Tumeshiba sana.
Haijapungua. Haya, acha nikuje.
Asante sana.
So guys, the mnyama is here.
Yeah.
The boy from city that I'm living in the village. And also my hometown is Portland. If you want to visit me, you can come.
So is there a difference between Portland and Poland?
Yeah.
Okay.
A big difference. You know, Portland is a place where there is a lot of water. It's like an ocean. It's like Mombasa. You get me now?
I get you now.
Okay. That is my home.
Yeah.
That is my hometown where I came from. I'm just here for the content. Very soon I'm going home.
Your home is missing you, or you are missing your home?
My home is missing me. Because I'm not going in this village soon. I love this village so much.
Okay, even this village loves you. us that we're in this village, we love you.
Okay guys, this is Nation 1 guys. If you're watching this for the first time, I feel so happy hosting me to your channel. I'm so excited.
No, I'm the one who feels happy hosting you. You know,
it's not
you are
easy
a
someone
celeb.
opening a camera for you like this. You know, it's not easy.
No, you're
It's
being
not
humble.
easy.
So between me and you, who is?
I have, because you're featuring me to your channel. I'm so happy
Okay.
to be in your channel. I feel so great. Even me, your people will watch me to your video. They will see the boy from Portland.
Portland, yeah.
A city boy in the village.
In the village.
Nation 1 guys, if you're watching this and you have not subscribed to my sister, subscribe, show some love. Leave a sweet comment that coming from my side.
Yes.
Always Marwa say, let's support each other.
Yes.
Love is for free. And also support me guys. I'm road to 2,000. Just imagine.
2,000.
2,000 subscribers.
Not 3,000. 2. Okay, I heard you saying 3,000, so I was like, maybe you've gotten to 3,000.
No, 2,000 subscribers. I'm road to there.
Okay.
Support me guys. I will appreciate it.
Okay.
I'm waiting. I'm a village boy. I don't edit.
You see, guys, but
I don't edit.
you don't edit.
This is real life.
You may have to edit.
I don't edit life. This is real. This is real me.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah.
Enjoy your lunch.
Thank you so much.
Sasa mmekinga nini meacha jikoni?
Mimi nitatoka hapo.
nothing. I'm having a headache, guys. Oh my god. Okay, there's a lorry that has brought construction material. Rashibi is here with his with his blue cap.
I'm seeing something I've never seen before.
What are you serious?
Yes.
You've never seen a lorry?
Hey, that's a lorry.
Rashibi, can you stop joking? Can you stop jokes? You've never seen a lorry?
Yes.
Guys, Rashibi is...
Lifted up.
You are lying to me. You're whining me.
How are you doing?
I'm good.
You are tired?
Hey, I'm very tired. I wonder how I'll create content if I get this tired so quick.
Oh,
you know me, I'm used to creating content in the house.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so like this outside content is new to me by the way.
But you'll get used.
I'll get used to it, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
This is Brashibi.
So I want Brashibi to come up with a content plan. We create content because now I don't have an idea for content for tomorrow.
No, like us. We just come here and content just come up like that. You can't plan.
Yeah.
So long as you know you are doing at a certain place, content just come up. So long as you know
like you
here, content will just come up. Yeah, it's not that so...
At least you know me, I'm not working here, so...
No, you must. It doesn't... Like me today, I was not working. But I have a video now.
Yeah.
And I was not working. You know, here is YouTubers. The one who is building is a YouTuber.
Yeah.
So he understands. When he sees someone, he just allows you to shoot. Yeah. It's not a must that maybe you must be working. It's not a must.
Yeah. I can see someone we all know.
It's called Master.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Okwemba is having a time with us, guys. Hi guys, so it is evening and we are leaving the site. So I just want the owner of the site, Fathela, to say something on my video because he welcomed me here. I don't take it for granted. Thank you so much, Fathela. And I want him to say something at least because I was at his premises and it's just logical that we do something. So let me show you guys just a rough 360 of the place. So guys, Fathela is here, the owner of the site. Say
hello
something.
guys. What's the name?
Feli Omore.
Oh,
Feli.
you told me Feli Omori.
Yeah.
Feli Omori. Hello guys, welcome back to Feli Omori YouTube channel. My name is Fathela TV. I'm the one who's building the 3-bedroom house here.
Yeah.
I'm just building a simple but big 3-bedroom house.
Yeah.
And today I've been doing the setting. Today is day 4. I've been building the 3-bedroom house. So feel much welcome in this construction site.
Thank you so much.
Yes, do the video anytime you want.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so much for being kind and for being welcoming.
Yes.
I'll be coming.
Thank you so much. You know, you're supporting each other because you're all the same age, your age
True,
mate. So
exactly.
it's good to, when you're seeing your age mate growing up.
Exactly.
Yeah, so come, do, interact. Yes, even when I know your YouTube channel, maybe I can share something.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, and congratulations on your site.
You know, life is just changing every day. You cannot
Yeah.
imagine that I've been YouTube for just less than 4 months.
Oh, really?
Really, just for less than 4 months. But you can
Because
see.
I knew you when you were at Brand's Grand.
Oh, you've been watching so for long?
Yes,
Thank
I've
you
been
so-
watching everyone in Nyabohansi.
Oh, thank you so much.
Yes.
Yes, just imagine I've been started there from the grandma. It's like 2 months away from now.
Yes.
2 months ago.
Yeah.
But you can see the amazing blessing.
The amazing
And
blessing,
Let me
yeah.
tell you the truth. All this came because of working there.
Okay.
That's the truth.
Wow.
That's the truth. All
That's-
these are things that just came from there.
Okay.
Because of working there. These blessings just came from there.
Hey,
Because of the hard
congratulations.
work.
Yeah.
Yes. So it means hard work and consistency. If you do them,
Yeah.
you also achieve.
Okay. And when are you starting your podcast channel?
Podcast. I think after I'm done. with
After
this.
you're done here?
Yes. You can see this bedroom is huge.
Yeah.
So I want
Very
to make a
huge.
live stream studio, something like that. That's why I
Okay.
decided to have a big room
Yeah.
for that.
Okay.
Because I still have a big dreams.
Yo, that's
Yes,
nice.
yes.
And nice to meet you. I'm happy to see you.
And even Miss, thank you so much for coming.
Thank
feel
you.
much
Welcome.
welcome.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Okay.